Many preventable injuries to children involve furniture and everyday items. Often, we don't even consider that these can be a danger to tamariki. One such injury is children getting their hands and fingers stuck indoors. Thankfully, there are safety devices that can help prevent this. The finger pinch guard. You can place the finger pinch guard on top of a door no less than 15 centimeters from the outer edge, or place on the door high enough to be out of the child's reach. This stops the door from being closed on fingers and hands. The door jamb protector. Each door jamb protector comes with an adhesive holder. Peel the release paper and stick the holder to the wall or door. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free from dust. With the door fully open, hang the door jamb protector over the top hinge. The door jamb protector stops the door from being closed on fingers and hands. The furniture corner cushion. Sharp corners of furniture and bench tops can be a real risk for fast-moving kids. Furniture corner cushions can be placed on sharp edges and corners to protect tamariki. Wash the corner cushions in warm soapy water prior to adhering and dry thoroughly. Clean off wax or polish from the furniture corners with alcohol before applying. Remove the paper backing from one side of the enclosed double stick tape and apply to clean, dry corner cushions on all three surfaces. Peel off the top backing from the tape and press the corner cushion firmly onto the corner. To remove, simply pull the corner cushion up from the corner and wipe off the adhesive with a cloth and some warm water. The glass safety sticker. Glass doors or panels can be a danger to tamariki as they can be hard to see. Mark glass panels indoors or large low-lying windows with stickers to make them more visible to tamariki. Simply remove the back of the sticker and place on glass panels, doors, or low windows. It's best to place the sticker at your child's eye level so it will be most visible. Safety gates are a great way to keep children in safe and supervised areas. Begin by laying out all the parts. Next, measure the opening that you are going to be installing the safety gate in. If the opening is up to 32 inches or 82 centimeters, then the safety gate is ready to be installed without any additional extension pieces. If the opening is between 32 to 35 inches, which is 82 to 88.9 centimeters, then you will need to add one additional extension piece. If the opening is between 35 to 38 inches or 88.9 to 96.5 centimeters, then you will need to add two additional extension pieces. To add an extension piece, all you need to do is remove the bottom plug from the side that you are trying to add the extension piece to. This will allow you to slide the extension piece into place. Extension pieces come in 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters, or 28 centimeter sizes. Next, insert the 4 pressure bumpers into each corner. Peel both sides of the adhesive backing stickers from the pressure bumper covers and place them on the bumpers. This will help to protect the wall from damage. Then line up the safety gate and press the bumpers into the wall. This will stick the bumper covers to the wall in the correct position. Repeat this step for each of the remaining 3 bumpers. Tighten the pressure bumpers by turning the washer to sit tightly against the safety gate. Use the spanner included to further tighten the screws. Repeat this step for each of the remaining 3 bumpers. Be sure to tighten the pressure bumpers so that they are firmly in place so the gate can be opened and closed. More than 3 children are hospitalized every day in Aotearoa because of a fall. Thankfully, there are some simple safety devices that can help to reduce the likelihood of a fall from happening in the home. Kids can slip easily in the shower or when they're trying to get in and out of the bath. A slip-resistant bath mat can help this. Lay the mat flat and push the suction cup side down so it sticks to the tub or shower floor. Blind cord wind-ups. Low-hanging cords can be a strangulation hazard for young children. Blind cord wind-ups allow you to reduce the length of blind cords, keeping them up high and out of reach of children. To use, simply slide the cord between the 2 posts of the top cover. Place the base over the cover and slide the cord through each side of the slot and snap shut. Wind up the blind cord by turning the cover clockwise until the cord is at the desired height. Once the blind cord wind up is in place, pull on the cord above it to raise or lower the blinds. To unwind, press the tab on the side of the cover and turn counterclockwise. To remove the blind cord wind up, pull the cover from the base and release the cord. cord shortener. Hold the cord shortener with both hands so that the logo is facing up. To open, place your thumbs on the top and press. Take the cord and wrap it around the spool to get the cord to the desired length. Guide ends of the cords through the slots on the spool. Then simply snap the cover in place. The Thermapen. The Thermapen is super simple to use. Simply extend the metal prong to turn it on and put it under your running hot water. You want your water to be running at about 50 degrees Celsius at the tap or 60 degrees at the cylinder to prevent the growth of nasty bugs such as Legionella bacteria, and no more than 55 degrees Celsius at the tap to avoid getting burned. Children are especially vulnerable. Depending on your cylinder, you may need an electrician or a plumber to help you adjust your thermostat. If your hot water tap is running too hot or too cold, have a chat to your plumber or your landlord about getting this fixed. If you're a Housing New Zealand tenant, get in touch with Housing New Zealand and they should be able to adjust your water temperature at the tap for you. Alternatively, you can check out kaingaora.gov.nz. If you've had your Thermapen for a while and you want to check that it's reading temperatures correctly, you can calibrate it by having a glass of icy water and simply putting the Thermapen into the ice water. It should be reading as close to 0 degrees as possible. Outlet plug protectors. As babies grow and become more curious about their surroundings, it's important to keep your child from accessing power outlets, as they can try to put items into the socket. Young children are naturally curious and learn by putting things in their mouths. About 3 children aged 1 to 2 are hospitalised from poisoning every week in Aotearoa, New Zealand. It's so important to store all medicines, chemicals and cleaners in their correct containers, up high in a lockable cupboard, out of children's reach and sight. Here are some safety devices that can help keep children out of cupboards, cabinets and drawers. The cabinet slide lock. To use the cabinet slide lock, press both buttons on the end of the lock and slide it open. Insert rod through the cabinet handle or over the doorknob. Slide the lock tightly against the handle or knob so it locks into place. To remove, press both release buttons on the lock and slide off. Push and snap cabinet lock. To use, press and hold the green locking button while pushing in the bottom release tab to separate the lock. Pull the inside lever up to remove the strap. Place one strap through the cabinet handle or around the doorknob. Insert the strap through the slot, then repeat on the other side. Snap lock together before pulling the strap to tighten. To remove, press and hold the green locking button while pushing in the bottom release tab. Custom fit all-purpose straps. The custom fit all-purpose straps are used to prevent access to cupboards, drawers, and even the microwave. Start by peeling off the sticker to reveal the adhesive on the back of the strap. Then place one end of the strap on the door or cupboard that you're trying to secure. The other end should be placed on a part of the cupboard, or in this case microwave, that does not move. Pull the strap tight so that it prevents the door from being opened. Clamp the open end over the tightened strap. To open the cupboard or microwave door, simply push both grey buttons in at the same time. Driveway runovers are preventable. Small children, particularly those under 2 years of age, are most at risk. Vehicles often have blind spots and it can be very difficult to see a small child from the driver's seat. Here are some key tips to help prevent driveway runovers from occurring. Keep children well away from driveways. They shouldn't think of them as play areas. Know where your children are before getting into the vehicle. Check around your vehicle before getting in. Fence off the driveway from the main play area. Having a visible reminder such as a sticker can help drivers to remain mindful of children before even turning on the car. Place stickers in visible places that you would look before leaving or arriving at home. These places include the front door, on the wheelie bin, by the letterbox, or even on the car bumper. For more information, check out Safekids Aotearoa.